Hello, good day. Today I'm going to discuss how we are going to download, install, and use SQL Management Studio, which is a tool we use to query our databases, create tables, or manage our databases in SQL Server. Okay, let's start. In Google, you can type SQL Management Studio. Okay, from here, you can go to SQL Downloads, SQL Server Downloads. Okay, you can press the space and go down here. From the tools, you can see there's SQL Server Management Studio. It is also called SSMS for short. Okay, here. Okay, I think I'm going to download the. Okay, this one. What? Okay, here it is. Okay, let's download this one. Save. I usually save it on my drive first, then install it afterwards. Okay, it will take some time to download. Let's pause this video for the meantime. Then resume it after. Okay, that took several minutes. Now at almost 100%. Okay, okay, let's just running some security scan. Okay, let's open the folder. So it's download here. Let's install it. Double click package. Okay. It's now going to start running. Okay, just click yes. So, okay, now just click install to begin. It's actually very straightforward. Just now it's installing. See? I just post this video because it might take several minutes. I'm just resuming it later. Okay, just completed the setup. Let's just close this. That's actually very easy. And open it somewhere. SQL. Okay. Okay, okay. Here it is. Click this one. Okay, it's now starting the SQL Server Management Studio version 17.8.1. Okay, this looks like. Let's just close this one for now. Okay, this is the Object Explorer where you see the list of databases. Let's connect. That's how you connect to a server. Just select the database engine, and then this is uh, this is your machine name, computer name, and this is the instance of the SQL that's installed on this machine. But I don't have this SQL Express right now, so I'll try to connect to another machine. So this is a different machine. This is the instance of the server. Okay, I usually use authentication, but you can also use SQL Server authentication. I use this Windows authentication because I'm so lazy to input my password. I just connect. Okay, just connecting on a server somewhere in the United States, so takes time. Or maybe my internet is very slow right now, so you can wait for it. Oops, maybe we cannot connect. Oops. Okay, let me try again. It's just some problem with the connection. Alright, it's now get connected to the server. So that's the SQL server that we connected to. Okay, so this is the SQL server, and this is the instance of that server. In that server, there are several databases. You see a different kind of database here, and you can open some of the database. When you click the plus sign, you will see the structure of the database. You can see the tables from here. See, these are the tables of the database. Then you can see the views created in this table. Okay. Then the stored procedures from here. You see the stored procedure here. And also the functions are created. Okay. You're able to view them. So you use this tool to view the structure of your database, and if you like to know some kind the columns or the data type of the columns, you can easily see them here. So that's what I usually do when I want to know the type, the data type of the fields that I'm trying to query. Okay, you can right click one of this database, and you know, right select, command select. So it selects the top 1,000 in this table. So it will automatically give you all the fields. You can also remove that. You can just do this one. Okay. Usually when I want to just see the content, I just do top 10. I can see what kind of data is on this table. So just like this. Okay. So this is, you can also open this one using by clicking new query, so you can find, so it will open a new window or new tab for that, where you can command. Okay, you can just use TP. This is how you use table. You can use MVB. You see it changes here. Okay, you can command what kind of database you use. I use report DB. Select use from cd.client. Okay, if you want to execute just one line, you can just need to highlight it like this one, then click execute. Then it will execute the command. Alright, so that's pretty easy to use. You can actually save this for future use. Alright, okay, then you can load that, or see, you can open the file and load it. Okay, this sample created a delete log, so I just load it. Okay, so this is the command query that I said before. So, and you can select this one. If you want to comment it, just click this comment icon here and comment here also. If you want to indent and indent, you can do that too. Okay, there's a lot more tools here that you can use. Okay, you want to see the output or list. Okay, that basically I just use this one most of the time. The save button and the execute and uncomment and comment, and also this indentation. and most of the time I don't use a lot of stuff from here. Okay, okay, that's basically how you're going to use the SQL Management Studio. So I usually use it for creating tables, creating database, deleting content of database, updating database, or whatever I want to do with the database. Okay, and I'm creating an automation report. I use this to build the stored procedure and debug my stored procedure. So this is pretty handy, and this tool is really helpful for the developers. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much for listening.